Afternoon, everyone. CloudCar. We were founded about 5 years ago by a mix of automotive and Silicon Valley veterans. And we're really providing a platform for connected services to the car manufacturers. My name is Magnus. I joined about 2 years ago after 15 years in the mobile software space with companies such as Sony. So, connected services in the car. We already have them. Some people believe that we should continue to drive around with the phone stuck in the window. When we do integrate them, we see apps in the car, basically copying the model from the phone into the car. The problem is it's not really appropriate. It doesn't scale. People don't write apps for cars, they write apps for phones. And it's distracted. So a different model really is the assistant model that we're becoming more aware of with Alexa and Siri. So the assistant model basically means that, whatever you're looking for, just ask for it. If you want to listen to the latest Warriors game, then just ask for it. You shouldn't have to worry whether it's on satellite radio, FM radio, or some internet radio station inside some application. So the upside is obviously minimum distractions, a uniform way of doing search, and it scales with adding new services. So how do we do this? Well, we don't integrate apps. We integrate services. And we only work with content contributions. So if you think about a place, it's always a place regardless of where the information is coming from. If it's coming from here, Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, it always has attributes like an address, a phone number, and it has actions associated with it. You can navigate to a place, you can call a place, and if it's a restaurant, you can reserve a table at the place. So, and we do the same with media and with people and communications. So what you're left with now is a uniform way of doing search, either through voice or through keyboard, a uniform way of getting recommendations, discovery, and notifications from the car or the cloud services. Our partners are really excited about this because they get to be part of the native car experience, but the effort on their side is really small or non-existent because we're actually reusing APIs that they already have. So the first client that's based on the CloudCar platform was launched 1 year ago by Jaguar and Land Rover, and the feedback has been truly amazing. And you should come over to our booth and look a little bit about what we're working on for the next generation of cars that's coming out soon. So as a summary, really what we're offering the car manufacturers is a way to do rapid deployment of new services without having to change the firmware in the car. The ability to control the data and the user experience and thus maintaining their brand identity. And lastly, but definitely the most important piece, this is a way to offer a personalized and intuitive experience that's truly centered around drivers' needs rather than apps. Thank you.